Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a collage of pictures on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the collage button in the create new section. After that, you should select 1 to 9 photos from your gallery and then click on the check mark icon on the right side of the screen. Here you can see your collage. If you want to, you can set the layout. If you click on the layout button, you can see the options that you can choose from. You can also set the border on these slides, and when you are done, click on the check mark icon of the screen and then your collage is done. It is created. Feel free to position the pictures within the collage. As you can see, if you tap on them, you can place them within the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.